Hi there. Okay, so let's walk through the steps for adding another person as an admin to our department's LinkedIn account. So find somebody who's an admin. There's a handful of us, and we're happy to add anybody, almost anybody at all. Get that person to log into LinkedIn. You just go to your regular LinkedIn homepage. Up at the right, click the me icon and then go down. I know it's hidden behind the video thing, but it says Madison College Business Technology. That's our company. So click on that one. Then in the upper right hand corner, once it loads, click Admin Tools. Oh, that's my favorite picture. I love that picture of the gateway. Admin Tools. And then we're going to go to Page Admins. We're going to let that one load. So, oh yeah, you can see there's a bunch of us from the department. So we're just going to add a new admin. So I'm going to start with Hubacher, see if I can find, oh, not K. See if I can find Lisa. Oh, all right. So I can't find Lisa. And the only reason I couldn't find a person is if they're not connected. So, so what I'll have to do is go and make a connection with her first. Let me try Pamela Perry. Let me try a little more. No results. Okay, so I'm not connected to Pamela either. Perhaps, Yvonne, if you're connected, you could request or just add them, but there has to be an active connection either between the department's page and that person or you as a person and them as a person. So I, right now, am going to look up Lisa. Oh, I don't even see her in LinkedIn. Am I spelling Hubacher right? Lisa, let me try Lisa. All right, let me try Pamela Perry. That's not Pamela Perry. Company law practice. That's not Pamela Perry. Okay, so step one, whoever you want to add as an admin has to create an account in LinkedIn, have them friend request. I don't know what they call that in LinkedIn. You as a person or me as a person, that's fine. I'll accept that connection. And then I can go ahead and add them, or you can add them as an admin following the steps I showed you just before. And again, you saw the other people. You could have Kristen do it or Chris Euro, whoever is an existing admin in the company site for our department. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.